Everybody say
Colorado!
This is home for the next week. Getting a big grocery trip.
This bottle is almost 30%.
Look at him go. Look at him go.
Oh, yeah?
All right, hitting the slopes for the first time. Got Momo and Emily. Em's about to get on the skis for the very first time. Got Em learning. What a beautiful day. I fell before you did. How you feeling?
Awesome.
Good pizzaing. Oh, you're on your back legs. First fall. Okay, so we have officially graduated from the bunny slopes.
Yeah, that shit's easy.
Emmy's making it look easy. Looks like she's done it 1,000 times. So now we are heading up our first big lift. Gonna go up to the greens and get a dial in. It is a beautiful day out here in Durango. I mean, just look at this background.
Thing helps. So when you're going down
Hit a few runs, got a little practice, and have some meal vouchers for Bloody Marys. So making the most of it. I shouldn't have tried to record and ski. Look at this. Hey, it's a learning curve, but we're learning. That looks cozy.
But it does open up a lot of really good avenues for strategy. So like, let's say here.
All right, day number 2 of skiing. Helping all the friends get their footing. Of course, I got myself a pocket banana, so I'm gonna throw this down and get some potassium in.
Oh, let's get a selfie. Yeah, have you guys gone up already?
No.
What's up, motherfuckers? This is Chloe here. Beginner skier. We're on the lift, bro.
Hell
Let's go
yeah.
hit some fucking powder.
That's
That's
epic.
the energy.
That's epic.
You hold on to that. Come down on this side, guys. Right here and then turn sideways. You got it. Pop your foot.
Yeah. Well done. Woo! What?
Oh, yeah.
Hit the lip.
My legs are fucking burning now, man.
is incredible. Oh, after a long day of skiing, we got some good old hot tub time. Going between the hot tub and the ice, making our own little ice patches. All right, we got day number 3 of skiing. A beautiful day, a few inches of fresh powder. Whoa! What a recovery! Woo! Oh boy. All right, all right. Let's get a hockey stop. Oh, that's a good one. Hell yeah.
She just looked at me and she goes, ooh. And I'm like, dude, don't.
Want to hold up the his and hers, the Bloody Mary and the hot chocolate with the view. Let's go. A big blue from the top to bottom with the GoPro. Let's see how this footage is.
Just a broken rib.
Nothing a silver bullet won't fix. We can hit some like trees and whatnot.
Okay.
Just have some fun.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Look at this powder. Fresh powder. Oh. Woo-hoo-hoo! Perfect turn. Hoppa! Good drop. Oh, I'm a little thick for that. Yeah. Woo! Oh. Oh my Lord. Oh. Oh, you ate tree there. The smallest tree in the forest. Ooh. I expected that bump to be softer. Here, I'll come give you a push. Hold on.
Go it's deep, right?
Get ready. I'm gonna give you a push. Oh no, hold on. Maybe I'll give you a pull.
Hold on, let me get on your path. All right.
Stretch. Ah. I think you're a lost cause. If I try to revive you, the storm's gonna get me, dog. Oh!
You okay? Yeah.
You sent it pretty hard.
You sent it. That was awesome. Right here?
You ruined my pee.
I know that's what you're doing. Look at that.
3, 2, 1, hit it.
Yes, you did it! Good for you!
So good. You come up here, you got all these, you know, crazy shit happening, stories like meeting people. Going up to Oklahoma.
All these guys
are up to
All right, on day 4 on the mountain, got 5 to 6 inches of fresh powder. I'm switching over from skis to the board. So, should be a beautiful day to get back in the swing of things. Let's get it. Oh, it's so small. Oh, that is a drop, boy. Oh, woo! Time for the first double black on a board. He made it. Oh my God.
Yeah, boy.
Holy fuck.
We got day 5 out here on the mountain. My 5th day in a row doing snowboarding again, and most of our group's last day, so beautiful groomed runs, beautiful blue sky. Let's get it. You good? Woo. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. It's waffle time.
Oh.
Getting ready for the last run of the day. Emma's gonna go on her first Black Diamond tree run. That was a good fall. We got day 6, third day on the snowboard. Our legs are pretty tired, so probably just gonna get a half day, but let's see if we can have some fun today. All right, well, the GoPro is about to die on the end of day 6. So I think that's gonna do it for the slopes of Purgatory. It's been such an amazing trip. 3 days of skiing, 3 days of snowboarding, beautiful mountain, great weather, great snow, great people. It's just been an awesome time. So time for us to go back, rest our legs, maybe go see what's going on in downtown Durango. Bye, friends.
Bye.
And we're back home with the puppies at last, aren't we? Miss y'all. And with that, that marks the end of another great vacation. So if you like this video, thank you for watching, and thank you for keeping it real with Ryan.